Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to select rows and adjacent rows and non-adjacent rows, and let's just get into it. So I have a bit of data here, and for those of you that haven't seen the previous ones, there is a blank row here on purpose, and it's actually bad practice to have blank rows, but I wanted to leave it here because it divides sections. And funnily enough, I gave away how to select the whole row, so I'll just do it again on purpose. You see how you have the row numbers going down here, going from 1 to technically a million plus. So the way you select the whole row is by coming here and see how the shading changes and it goes into an arrow. So you can select by just clicking on it, and that's what I'm doing now. The way you select adjacent rows is much like how you select adjacent cells, which is by pressing Shift on your keyboard, which you can't see but I'm doing, and I'm selecting down to 13. And that's you are selecting adjacent rows. Selecting non-adjacent rows is again much like how you select non-adjacent cells, which is using the Control key on your keyboard, and I'm pressing Control even though you can't see it now, and we'll just select 6 and 4, and that's how non-adjacent selection works. And just to make it obvious, I'll color it something. So by the end of this is going to be really ugly, but hey, it's not an art class, it's an Excel class. So thanks for watching. The next one's going to be selecting columns, and I'm reasonably sure by now you'll have a good guess how to do that, but we'll just do that separately anyway. So thanks for watching.